Find the smallest natural number by which 1458 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Means this number 1458, you have to divide it by some number so that the remainder answer, the quotient which you get from this, would be a perfect square. Here in cube roots you can't follow the division method, you have to follow the factorization method only. So start factorizing. 2 into 729, then 2 into 27 into 27. Now 27 is a cube of 3. So 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Mark the cube, mark the groups of 3. Now only what remains is 2. Now if you this 2, so if you divide this whole thing by 2, this 2 will go, and only these these 3 by 3 by 3 and 3 by 3 by 3 will remain. So which is a perfect cube. Okay, so divide the 1458 by 2.